Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Tradingview. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tradingview.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tradingview website, from which if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed with your credentials. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the market summary page. Now, if you wish to change your password, click on the account icon at the top right and then click on Profile Settings. You will now be taken into your Profile Settings page, underneath which you will find your password underneath Private Details. Click on the Change Password button and now you will be asked to enter your current password first. Type in your current account password and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password box. You will then need to enter this new password once again within the Confirm New Password box. And after entering this new password within the confirm box, click on the Save Changes button. Once you click on this, your changes will be saved and your password will be changed immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Tradingview. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.